welcome to Gardening Naturally with Green Fingertips. Today I want to talk to you about how I plant up my potatoes. So starting off, I put a layer of, I'm using here vegetable compost, but you can use multi-purpose. You can use your homemade compost at your compost bins. You can use that, but I've got this vegetable compost, so I thought I'd use it in here. So I'm going to layer of vegetable compost in the bottom, and then I will be putting potatoes on top of this. So once potatoes are in, I will then fill the planter up about halfway with the vegetable compost again to cover the potatoes. Now this will leave me plenty of room to earth up the potatoes twice. When the potatoes grow up through that compost, and you can see a bit of the stem showing, of a couple of inches of stem, I will then cover them again with some more vegetable compost. So they're completely covered and they're going to grow back up through that compost then. Now that'll be the first earthing up, and then the second earthing up will be using grass cuttings. Now, the purpose of earthing up is to stop the light getting to the stem. Now, if the stems are kept in the dark, are kept covered, then they produce roots. Now, the more roots your potato plant has, the more potatoes will provide. So you want to get as many roots as you possibly can. So that's why I earth up twice, to cover this, keep covering the stem to produce a lot more roots. As the plant keeps growing up through the compost, the third earthing up, as I said, I use grass cuttings. Now the grass cuttings break down and provide some good source of nitrogen for the potato plant, because as the potato plant grows, the potato is the original potato planted in there is the food source. It's using up the potato. So by the time it gets to the level that you need to earth it up the second time, it's going to run out of potato source for food, and it's going to be trying to take on what's in the compost. So by using the grass cuttings, that will break down into the compost and feed the plant with a good source of nitrogen. You can use compost, you can use soil if you plant them in the garden. Once you've planted potatoes and covered them for their first covering, give them a good watering, and then this will settle them in, ready to start growing. So that's how I am growing potatoes this year. Hopefully you can pick up a few tips from this, and if you've not grown potatoes before, it gives you an idea of how to do them. And if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up to help the YouTubes show my videos to more people. Please click the subscribe button, and I will see you in my next video.